Namaste. Before you begin, find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. This meditation is meant to support you when the mind feels overwhelmed, the body feels tense, or emotions feel heavy. If you're feeling anxious, restless, or mentally tired, this meditation is for you. Stress is just the body's way of asking for gentleness. This time is simply a pause, a place to breathe, a place to settle. Take a moment to arrive here, and before we begin, let this land softly in you. Everything is going to be okay. Find a comfortable seated position. Allow your spine to feel naturally tall. Rest your palms facing upward if you wish to feel supported and open, or resting downward if you wish to feel steady and grounded. You may now close your eyes gently or allow your gaze to soften toward a point in front of you. Begin by drawing a slow, deep breath in through the nose. Feel the breath travel all the way down into the body and release through the mouth, slow and easy. Again, breathing in through the nose, calm and full, and releasing through the mouth, allowing the body to soften. Continue with this rhythm of breathing. Each inhale feels nourishing. Each exhale feels like settling more deeply into the space that holds you. And with every out breath, feel your weight sink comfortably into your seat. Your shoulders relax. Your jaw softens. Your breath finds its own peaceful pace. This moment welcomes you exactly as you are. Sounds around you belong here. Sensations in the body belong here. With each gentle breath, you return more fully to now. Take one deeper inhale together through the nose. As you exhale, allow the shoulders to roll slightly back and down. Again, inhale through the nose and release. Feeling space open across the chest. Continue breathing in this calm, steady way. If thoughts drift through the mind, that is natural. And when you become more aware about these thoughts, simply return to your breath. The breath becomes an anchor, steady and familiar. Notice the coolness of the air as it enters. Notice the warmth as it leaves. Feel how each exhale invites the muscles to soften further. When you feel ready, gently shift your awareness inward toward imagination. Now picture yourself seated on a smooth, steady stone in the middle of a clear, flowing stream. The water moves around you with ease, never rushing, never resisting. Surrounding the stream is a lush, protective jungle, alive and supportive. The air is warm. A soft breeze brushes your skin. The entire space feels welcoming. Ahead of you, the stream continues gently downhill. Behind you, rising just above your shoulders, a waterfall flows with a soothing, steady rhythm. A cool mist surrounds you, refreshing and light. Pause here and notice how your body responds in this place. Notice the feeling of being held, supported, and calm. This space offers cleansing and renewal. Imagine any lingering tension, future concerns, or emotional weight existing gently around you like a soft halo of energy. These experiences are near you, yet they do not define you. With every inhale, the body fills with fresh, clean air. And with every exhale, imagine the waterfall flowing gently over the crown of your head, moving down across your face, your neck, your shoulders, washing through your entire energy field. The water carries away what feels complete. It flows naturally into the stream and continues onward. Take a slow inhale through the nose and as you exhale, feel the water gliding over you, calm and kind. another inhale and release, allowing the body and mind to feel lighter, clearer, and steadier. Continue breathing as the water flows, cleansing, soothing, restoring balance. And when you feel ready, imagine the waterfall gradually slowing. The mist settles. Now the water becomes still. You turn gently on your stone and notice a tall, white cave behind the waterfall. Inside, a smooth wall stands before you. A soft light appears, and a projection begins to form on the wall. You see scenes of your life unfolding with ease and clarity. You see intentions taking shape. You see yourself moving forward, feeling supported, capable, and aligned. Allow these images to play naturally, like a calm, reassuring story unfolding at its own pace. When the images feel complete, the light gently fades. Take some more time to play these scenes from your life unfolding in front of you. Now bring your awareness back to the body, back to your breath, and back to this present moment. We close with a few affirmations. You may repeat them softly aloud or hold them within. I am safe in this moment. I am safe in this moment. My breath supports me. My breath supports me. I carry calm within me. I carry calm within me. Everything I need is already present. Everything I need is already present. Take a few slow, intentional breaths. Feel the steadiness beneath you. Feel the quiet strength in your body. When it feels right, begin to notice the space around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Roll your shoulders if that feels good. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to acknowledge yourself for choosing care, presence, and gentleness. Carry this calm with you. It remains available to you anytime you return to your breath. If you feel anxious, you can always come back to this meditation. I would like to thank you for joining me in my meditation today. And I'm hoping you feel better today. Thank you and namaste.